Yan guys, Antarctica uli.
Puro penguin no?
May bahay dun guys, oh. Mga scientist siguro yan guys.
May bahay sa taas, oh.
Mga researcher siguro yan guys. Daming penguin. Guys, dito ulit tayo sa Antarctica. Pangatlong araw na po natin dito guys. Ayan o, nag-yellow guys.
On the port side, on a small beach there. So if you look through your binoculars, you'll see the seals with their heads up
Seals.
on that small point.
May seals daw guys.
And we'll just keep an eye out for wildlife. But do
Ibon.
use your binoculars to have a look at those seals.
May seals daw.
They
Layo.
look to be Antarctic fur seals.
Antarctic seals.
And
Mga guys.
forecast is for the day to get better and better.
Andun, yan.
Saan?
Sa harapan.
Dito tayo sa dulo ng mundo guys.